If you're looking for information on the Spiritme Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Spiritme Lifetime deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Spiritme Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Digital avatars in, video production out. Create affordable and quick videos for your business at any time. Connect with your customers on a personal level by featuring a human face in your videos. Simply write the script and you're ready to go. It's a perfect helper for a digital celebrity or blogger. If you require additional online content and want to make money from someone's virtual presence, digitizing them is an option. Our avatar is available constantly, eliminating the issues that come with human limitations such as fatigue, mood changes, and sick days. It's a tool to engage your communications. Are your presentations being ignored by both customers and employees? Regain their attention by utilizing a digital avatar presenter and recapture their valuable focus. Personalized video ads and mailing lists. With the ability to produce an infinite quantity of digital avatar material, it is now possible to address each customer by name in a video. Chatbots. By incorporating a human-like avatar that interacts with users, chatbot creators can enhance their content systems. Imagine if there was an AI-powered tool that could create a digital avatar based on your likeness to help you generate engaging, personalized videos in record time. Make way for Spiritme. Use this AI video generator to create stunning videos with digital avatars in just minutes. Access a professional-level video editing suite and create high-quality videos for marketing, sales, and onboarding. Create a realistic digital avatar of yourself and generate expressive videos with your face and voice using AI. Spiritme is an AI-powered video platform that uses text-to-speak technology to create digital avatars and generate personalized videos. Spiritme lets you choose an avatar from a library of digital humans, giving you the ability to create an entire cast of characters for your business, social media, or YouTube channel. Unlike other AI video generators, these avatars can display a range of facial expressions, so viewers don't feel like they're watching a robot. You can render your video in different aspect ratios like 16:9, 4:3, or square, and even choose the vertical and horizontal orientation to match your target platform. From there, you'll be able to export your video in 1080p or 4K HD, ensuring that you have crystal clear content for any use case. Best of all, Spiritme lets you create a digital avatar of yourself in minutes just by recording a short video in the iOS app. This platform also lets you digitize your voice for audio, work, and voiceovers in up to 8 supported languages. And because Spiritme stores your digital avatar with two-factor authentication, nobody else can use your appearance without your permission. Spiritme is also packed with a user-friendly video editor that lets you create professional-level videos in minutes. That means you'll be able to add backgrounds, text, music, images, and more to produce the perfect visuals for your avatar. Short on time. You can use templates from the platform's growing library to jumpstart the content creation process. If you're on the go, you'll even be able to create and edit videos on your phone using their iOS app. Spiritme lets you choose from over 400 natural-sounding voices to read your script, or you can use your own digital voice. The platform supports over 140 languages and accents, so you can connect with audiences all over the globe. No matter the voice or language you choose, your avatar will automatically lip-sync to your audio to give you a perfect reading every time. At this rate, you could be the next video sensation without recording any bloopers. Spiritme makes it super easy to generate personalized videos with realistic digital visual and voice avatars in over 100 languages. Create better videos with AI. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Spiritme today. One-time purchase of $49 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.